Class 1 Subject Mathematics Chapter 11 Numbers Subtopic Numbers from 51 to 70. Children, we have learned to count numbers till 50. Now it's time to learn numbers from 51 to 70. 5 tens and 1 is 51. 5 tens and 2 ones is 52. 5 tens and 3 ones is 53. 5 tens and 4 ones is 54. 5 tens and 5 ones is 55. 5 tens and 6 ones is 56. 5 tens and 7 ones is 57. 5 tens and 8 ones is 58. 5 tens and 9 ones is 59. 5 tens and 1 ten is 60. 6 tens and 1 is 61. 6 tens and 2 ones is 62. 6 tens and 3 ones is 63. 6 tens and 4 ones is 64. 6 tens and 5 ones is 65. 6 tens and 6 ones is 66. 6 tens and 7 ones is 67. 6 tens and 8 ones is 68. 6 tens and 9 ones is 69. 6 tens and 1 ten is 70. Subtopic Numbers from 71 to 90. 7 tens and 1 is 71. 7 tens and 2 ones is 72. 7 tens and 3 ones is 73. 7 tens and 4 ones is 74. 7 tens and 5 ones is 75. 7 tens and 6 ones is 76. 7 tens and 7 ones is 77. 7 tens and 8 ones is 78. 7 tens and 9 ones is 79. 7 tens and 1 ten is 80. 8 tens and 1 is 81. 8 tens and 2 ones is 82. 8 tens and 3 ones is 83. 8 tens and 4 ones is 84. 8 tens and 5 ones is 85. 8 tens and 6 ones is 86. 8 tens and 7 ones is 87. 8 tens and 8 ones is 88. 8 tens and 9 ones is 89. 8 tens and 1 ten is 90. Subtopic Numbers from 91 to 100. 9 tens and 1 is 91. 9 tens and 2 ones is 92. 9 tens and 3 ones is 93. 9 tens and 4 ones is 94. 9 tens and 5 ones is 95. 9 tens and 6 ones is 96. 9 tens and 7 ones is 97. 9 tens and 8 ones is 98. 9 tens and 9 ones is 99. 9 tens and 1 ten is 100.